When it comes to choosing the right sheep breed for your farm, understanding which breeds excel in meat, wool, and milk production can make all the difference. Whether you're an aspiring shepherd, a seasoned farmer, or simply curious about sustainable agriculture, selecting the ideal sheep breed is a crucial decision that impacts productivity, profitability, and sustainability. In this guide, we'll explore the 5 best sheep breeds renowned worldwide for their outstanding qualities in meat, wool, and milk production. Welcome to SMART-AGRI Hub, where we help you make informed decisions for a smarter farm. Let's begin by considering what makes a sheep breed ideal for multiple purposes. The best breeds combine rapid growth for meat, high-quality fleece for wool, and consistent milk production for dairy. They adapt well to diverse climates, have good resistance to disease, and are relatively easy to manage. Now let's dive into our top 5 picks. First on our list is the Dorper sheep, a breed famous for its exceptional meat quality. Originating from South Africa, the Dorper is a cross between Dorset horn and blackhead Persian sheep. It's valued primarily for its rapid growth rate, adaptability to harsh environments, and high-quality carcass. Dorper sheep are non-selective grazers, making them easy to manage in various pasture conditions. Their meat is tender, flavorful, and highly sought after in the market. While Dorpers are not primarily wool producers, their coat is a mixture of hair and wool, which sheds naturally. They're ideal for farmers focused on meat production with minimal maintenance. Their resilience and ability to thrive in arid regions make them a top pick for sustainable, low-input farming systems. Next, let's look at the Merino sheep, a breed synonymous with world-class wool. Originating in Spain, Merinos are celebrated for their fine, soft fleece, which is in high demand for premium textiles globally. Merino wool is prized for its breathability, moisture-wicking properties, and comfort. These sheep are relatively hardy and can adapt to a wide range of climates, from hot plains to cold highlands. In addition to wool, Merinos can be used for meat, though their primary value is in fleece production. Their docile temperament and manageable size make them a favorite among small-scale and commercial wool producers alike. If you're looking to maximize returns from wool, the Merino breed is an excellent investment. For those interested in milk production, the East Friesian sheep stands out as the world's leading dairy breed. Originating from northern Germany and the Netherlands, East Friesians are renowned for their exceptional milk yield, producing up to 1,500 liters per lactation under optimal conditions. Their milk has a high butterfat content, making it ideal for cheese production. East Friesian sheep are generally docile, easy to handle, and adapt well to intensive management systems. While their wool is decent and their meat acceptable, their real value lies in dairy. Many farmers cross East Friesians with other breeds to improve milk yields in flocks primarily kept for meat or wool. If dairy is your focus, East Friesians are the breed of choice. Now, let's talk about the Romney sheep, a versatile breed that excels in both meat and wool production. Originally from England's Romney marsh, the Romney is highly adaptable, thriving in wet, cold climates where other breeds may struggle. Romney sheep produce a long, lustrous fleece, prized by hand spinners and commercial wool processors. Their meat is lean, flavorful, and well-marbled, making it popular among butchers and consumers. The breed is known for its hardiness, excellent mothering ability, and resistance to foot rot, a common problem in damp pastures. Whether you're aiming for dual-purpose production or want a breed that can withstand challenging weather, the Romney is a reliable option. Last but not least, let's highlight the Awassi sheep, a breed native to the Middle East and renowned for its triple-purpose utility: meat, milk, and wool. Awassi sheep are particularly famous for their resilience in arid environments, ability to walk long distances, and strong disease resistance. Their milk is rich and flavorful, widely used in traditional cheeses such as feta and halloumi. Awassi wool is suitable for carpets and weaving, while their meat is tender and highly valued locally. This breed's adaptability to harsh climates and low-input systems makes it a popular choice among pastoralists and smallholders. The Awassi is the go-to breed for farmers seeking versatility and reliability. Choosing the right breed depends on your farm's goals, climate and resources. If you're focused on meat, the Dorper is hard to beat for efficiency and quality. For premium wool, the Merino offers unmatched fleece characteristics. If milk is your priority, East Friesians provide top yields and butterfat percentages. The Romney gives you both meat and wool with hardiness, while the Awassi delivers solid results across all three categories, especially in challenging environments. Before making your final decision, consider your local climate, pasture quality, market demand, and management capacity. Each breed has specific requirements and strengths. Dorper and Awassi sheep thrive in arid and semi-arid regions, while Romney and Merino are better suited to temperate climates. East Friesians require more intensive management and quality forage for maximum milk production. You should also think about the availability of breeding stock, veterinary support, and marketing channels. Some breeds may be harder to source locally, while others have established networks and support systems. Connecting with local sheep breeders, agricultural extension officers, and cooperative networks can help you find the best breed for your needs. Integrating sheep into your farm can bring numerous benefits beyond meat, wool, and milk. Sheep help manage pasture by controlling weeds and fertilizing the soil. Their grazing habits complement other livestock, and they can be a key part of regenerative agriculture systems. By selecting the right breed, you ensure that your flock is productive, healthy, and profitable. As you plan your flock, remember that good management practices, nutrition, healthcare, and breeding are essential for maximizing the potential of any sheep breed. Regular health checks, parasite control, and proper feeding will keep your animals thriving and productive year-round. In summary, the 5 best sheep breeds for meat, wool, and milk production are Dorper, Merino, East Friesian, Romney, and Awassi. Each offers unique advantages, whether you're seeking fast-growing meat lambs, high-quality fleece, abundant milk, or all-around adaptability. By understanding the strengths of these breeds and matching them to your farm's goals, you can build a sustainable and productive flock. Thank you for joining us at SMART-AGRI Hub. We hope this guide helps you make informed choices for your sheep farming journey. Don't forget to stay updated with our latest tips, insights, and expert advice to keep your farm smart, sustainable, and successful.